Why does falling asleep feel so good to your body? Because it triggers a powerful wave of relaxation and repair that you won't believe until you experience it. When you start to fall asleep, your body shifts from the fight or flight state to the rest and digest mode. This is controlled by the parasympathetic nervous system, which slows your heart rate and lowers blood pressure. Your muscles relax and tension dissolves. This switch creates the calming, pleasant sensation that feels so good as you drift off. It's like your body is pressing a reset button, inviting calm and peace. As you fall asleep, your brain releases melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. Along with melatonin, the neurotransmitter GABA increases, which reduces nerve activity and calms your mind. This chemical cocktail produces the comfortable, almost euphoric sensation you feel right before you sleep. These brain chemicals not only help you fall asleep faster, but also make the process feel deeply rewarding to your body and mind. Falling asleep is not just rest for your mind, but also a time when your body begins important healing processes. Growth hormone production spikes during early sleep stages, which helps repair muscles and tissues. Your immune system strengthens, fighting off infections and inflammation. This physical regeneration is why deep sleep feels so rejuvenating and why your body craves that feeling every night. So next time you feel that blissful calm as you fall asleep, remember it's your body's natural way of relaxing, repairing, and recharging. That feeling is a sign your brain and body are working together to keep you healthy. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and never miss the science behind your everyday wonders.